Hey guys, Colin McClutter with StockMarketBasics.com, and here we are with our daily intraday stock picks for January 2014. Starting off the longs, the first long we got on the list for today is APC. This is in the energy sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock wasn't an uptrend until it started to sell off at the beginning of November. The stock then consolidated for some time and broke down. The stock then gapped lower at the end of the move to the downside and was not able to fall through any lower. The stock has since been trading sideways in a very narrow range, and yesterday the stock moved up to the top of the recent trading range and closed near the highs. We'll see if this stock can gap up as the market opens today, and if it does bust past $80.05 a share, we'll consider it as a long trade with an intraday target of $81.60. Here's the daily chart of APC. Next up we've got CAG. This is in the food products sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this one as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock topped out in August of this year and had a rapid sell-off. The stock bottomed out in October and has been moving higher. The stock gapped up in mid-December and has been consolidating ever since. And yesterday the stock moved up to the high of the recent trading range and closed strongly. We'll see if this stock is able to break out to the upside as the market opens today, and if it does rise past $34 a share, we plan to go long on it with an intraday target of $34.48. Here's the daily chart of CAG. Long number 3 on our list for today is CI. This is in the healthcare provider sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in an uptrend. The stock topped out in November of 2013 and started to pull back. Since then, the stock has found some support and traded back up to the highs. And yesterday, the stock moved up and came within a penny of the previous high. We'll see if there are buyers willing to push this stock up any further as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $88.60 a share, we'll consider it as a long with an intraday price target of $89.84. Here's the daily chart of CI. Next up we've got EXAS. This is in the biotech sector and trades on the NYSE. We like this biotech stock as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has moved up since bottoming out in October. 2 days ago the stock shot up on heavy volume and put in a big move to the upside. And yesterday the stock followed through once again and closed near the highs. We'll see if this stock is able to keep up the upside momentum as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $13.80 a share, we'll consider it as a long with an intraday price target of $14.07. Here's the daily chart of EXAS. Long number 5 on the list for today is Expedia, EXPE. This is in the travel sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like Expedia as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in an uptrend. After consolidating for several weeks, yesterday the stock sold off and reversed to the close near the highs. And today the stock broke out to the upside on increased volume. We'll see if this stock can get any further fall through into the upside as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $71.81, we'll consider it as an intraday long trade with a price target of $72.90 a share. Here's the daily chart of EXPE. The next long on our list is Seagate Technology Holdings, STX. This is in the computer hardware sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been a strong performer over the past year. The stock started to consolidate at the end of the move up in December. Over the past few sessions, volume has been increasing as the stock has been trying to move up higher in a weaker market environment, and yesterday the stock broke out to the upside on strong volume. The stock did pull back somewhat to the end of the day's session, so we will see if there are any buyers willing to push this stock up any further as the market opens today. Now if it does jump past $59.24 a share, we do plan to go long on it with an intraday price target of $60.40. Here's the daily chart of STX. Long number 7 on the list for today is TEVA. This is in the pharmaceutical sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been turned down at $41.50 several times over the past year. The last move down from the highs resulted in a higher low from the stock started to move back up. and yesterday the stock moved up on increasing volume and closed in the upper portion of its daily range. The stock closed within striking range of making a multi-year high, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Now, if this stock is able to go past $41.50 a share, we strongly feel it will be a good long candidate, and we plan to get in with an intraday target of 42.42. Here's the daily chart of TEVA. Last but not least, we've got VMW. This is in the software sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, we like this one as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock was in a longer-term downtrend and bottomed out in July of 2013. Since then, the stock has been moving back up and has recovered last year's losses. In mid-December, the stock started to consolidate at the end of the move up, just below the October gap up high. And yesterday, the stock broke out and diversely ran to put in a big day up, closing strongly. We'll see if the momentum carries through over to today's session, and if it does jump past $95 a share, we'll be considering it as a long trade with an intraday price target of $96.91. Here's the daily chart of VWM. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from StockMarketBasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for future updates, as well as signing up for our Freedom 35 membership.